Everything's frozen.
Oh, that'll be fun to go down the slide.
Wow!
Josh, go down the slide. Oh, he's on the slide. That's gonna be fun.
Wait!
Poor Alex can't even walk.
Josh, I help Alex to get it.
Alex, be very careful. You don't want to fall out of there. Josh, be careful. Watch out. Don't go over there. You'll fall out.
Go break one.
Hit the roof, Josh. See what happens when you hit the roof. Hit the roof. Push it. See all the ice fall off. Whoa. Watch out for your sister. Whoa. Watch out for your sister. There you go. That shows you how much ice is up there. Okay, go, Josh.
I'm not gonna go like that.
Oh my goodness, you took all the ice down. Hey Josh, go shake that bamboo. One of the ones that are standing up.
Why?
See what happens. Not that one. Not that one. One of the ones that are up high. Oh, don't throw. Don't throw. Yeah. This is ridiculous.
You get your video? Jay, where's Jay? Trying to save his bamboo. Ooh. No, Josh, there's rocks over there. Jay. I don't know what Jay's doing. He's getting hit hard by icicles. Look at Alex.